everyone, myself Anushka Sayare. I am a student of class 7B. Today I am here to tell you what is Python. Our main topics for today: what is Python, features of Python, uses of Python, installation of Python, components of Python, last but not the least, modes of Python. What is Python? It is an interpreted, interactive, and object oriented programming language. It is used for writing codes. Features of Python: it is user-friendly, it is free of cost, Python differentiates between small and capital letters. It is a case of sensitive language. Uses of Python: it is used for web programming and developing desktop applications. It is used to program robots and develop games. It can be used to develop a website. It helps in GUI development and system administration. Installation of Python. Python is free to download. It is available on the website www.python.org. The latest version of Python is available on this website. Components of Python. There are various components of Python. Following are the components of Python: title bar, menu bar, file bar, edit menu, help menu, status bar, and script area. Here is the image that there is everything marked on this image in the Python script area. Modes of Python. There are two modes of Python. First, interactive mode. It is executed line by line and it is suitable for writing long programs as it checks the program line by line. Script mode. Editing of codes is much easier in this mode. It is suitable for writing short programs so we can get immediate results. Thank
So,
you and have a nice day.